Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 10 top stories we are covering today. Waiting for Trump phone. The Trump T1 phone continues to be delayed, with 9 months having passed since its announcement in June of last year and multiple ship dates missed. In the meantime, numerous products and services have emerged, such as new smartphones and streaming platforms, adding to the anticipation for the Trump phone's release. You don't have to spend more than $50 on a great USB-C dock for your Switch 2. The Switch 2 has stricter USB-C dock requirements compared to its predecessor, but now there are 2 reliable alternatives available. Jsaux's OmniCentro dock and Genki's Covert dock 3 both support up to 4K at 128C, HDR and fast charging, with a USB-A port for accessories. While Genki's dock is priced higher due to its translucent orange components, there doesn't seem to be any other notable difference between the 2 options. You can make a multicolor MacBook Neo out of Apple's spare parts. Apple's MacBook Neo spare parts can be purchased in multiple colors, potentially allowing users to create a multicolor laptop. The device is considered the most repairable MacBook in 14 years by iFixit, and modders have already shown how they've upgraded the storage and improved its performance. A Game Boy Advance MP3 player has me wishing Nintendo made more gadgets. Anne Bernick, known for its handheld retro gaming devices, has introduced the RG Rotate, a low-spec device that functions as both an MP3 player and a game emulator. This gadget represents early 2000s nostalgia and rekindles interest in MP3 players. Gucci-branded Google Smart Glasses are coming next year. Google plans to launch Gucci-branded AI smart glasses in 2027, partnering with Kering. This move follows the release of Google's Android XR glasses this year and aligns with partnerships with Warby Parker and Gentle Monster last year. The collaboration with a luxury brand like Gucci could help Google compete with Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses by focusing on style and fashion. GoPro's new Mission cameras are priced beyond most weekend athletes. GoPro's new Mission 1 and Mission 1 Pro cameras are priced at $599.99 and $699.99 respectively, with a $100 discount for those subscribing to its ecosystem. These high-end action cameras, featuring a 50MP sensor and GoPro's new GP3 processor, target professional filmmakers but may be too expensive for amateur users. The Mission cams are set to release on May 28th, with accessories like wireless mic system available as well. Anker's small 5-port travel adapter is down to its best price yet. Anker's Nano travel adapter is currently available at an all-time low price of $19.99, $6 off on Amazon and directly from Anker with code WS7DV2S3TD3T. The 5-port, 3.77 Rs device supports 4 plug types, ACGI, allowing it to work in over 200 countries across various continents. It has built-in temperature control and can power up to 5 devices simultaneously, including 2 USB-A and 2 USB-C ports capable of sharing 15 W of power or providing 20 W through a single USB-C port. These Raspberry Pi price hikes are no joke. Raspberry Pi has raised prices on over a dozen of its computers due to the ongoing RAM shortage. The price increase for the 16GB version of Raspberry Pi 5 is $100, with other models experiencing hikes from $11.25 to $150. CEO Eben Upton assured that these increases are temporary and will be reversed when circumstances improve. The rugged Bose SoundLink Flex is 25% off right now. The Bose SoundLink Flex is currently 25% off on Amazon, starting at $109, $50 discount in select colors. This portable Bluetooth speaker boasts expansive sound and a rugged IP67 rated design. While the second-generation Flex offers some refinements over its predecessor, it remains largely unchanged in terms of performance. Here are our favorite spring cleaning deals from Amazon's Big Spring Sale. Amazon's Big Spring Sale offers various deals on gadgets for spring cleaning, including electric screwdrivers, air dusters, and carpet cleaners. The sale also features pet hair removers and reusable dishcloths available through March 31st. Please like, subscribe, and comment your views on this channel.